How to register Alliance Bank online banking. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can register for Alliance Bank's online banking account. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to register for Alliance Bank online banking account, open your browser. Go to alliancebank.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. After you go to alliancebank.com, tap the login option from the top right hand side of the screen. And if you have online banking, you can enter the login ID and password to login successfully. Otherwise, you can just tap the enroll option that you will be able to find it here. Once you tap the enroll button that you can find over here, what you basically want to do is you can see in order to register for online banking, you need to have an existing bank account. Online banking only refers to the ability of making transactions online without having to go to the bank. It is not meaning that necessarily creating a new bank account itself. You're only actually converting the current bank account that you have to an online banking account so that you can bank online. Once you've understood that, what you want to do is make sure you simply enter your social security number. Once you've done that, make sure to enter your date of birth, and then you can simply also enter your zip code. Then you can enter the verification code, then request login ID, which means you can simply choose a username for yourself. Tap the continue option. It'll ask you for other couple information such as your bank account details and uploading your legal documents. Once you've uploaded your legal document and so on, your Alliance online banking will be successfully activated and ready for use. This way you can register for Alliance Bank online banking. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.